You're already the person. Now you just have to match up your daily disciplines to catch up to that person. And once you get that down pat, the sky's the limit. When you're seeking a transformation, whether that be massive weight loss, weight gain, toning, there's a level of mental capacity that you have to have, right? There's a level of will, determination, willingness to sacrifice what's comfortable in the now. I get consultations and I get many people asking me, Jazz, what did you do to lose the weight? How did you transform? Could you give me like the secret sauce? And the secret sauce is making up the mind. See, your mind is your most priceless asset besides time, right? Time is the number one asset, right? That's a given. However, if you do not tap into the frequency of becoming the person that's already in shape, it will be a more lengthy process for you in order to get there. I'm not going to say you're not going to get there. However, if you do not embody the daily disciplines of someone who is already in shape, it is going to be tough for you to get there. Back when I started my weight loss journey in 2019, I embodied the person that I needed to be. I embodied who I am now. And I implemented the daily disciplines of an already better in shape version of myself. You cannot continue to go out to Chick-fil-A, Cheesecake Factory, Maestro's 3-4 times a week and think that you're going to transform your body. It does not work like that. You have to be willing to take a step back from the things that are comfortable. See, I was a big snacker. My kryptonite were chips. I love carbs. I overdo it on carbs. So me knowing that about myself, I had to sacrifice that. I'm going to give you the step-by-step system that I took to shed the 35 pounds. It did not take me 6 weeks. It did not take me a month, 2 months. It took me a solid 5 months of consistent day after day, week after week, month after month, showing up again and showing up again. Even when the days when I did not feel like showing up, I did. I was building my character. The number one thing I did, we already talking about it, the mindset. I made up my mind. I embodied the person that I saw myself to be, right? And number 2, lift heavy shit. Whether you're seeking to lose weight, whether you're seeking to gain muscle, whether you're seeking to tone up, whatever you're seeking to do, you gotta lift heavy shit. You cannot think that you sticking over there on the machines is going to totally transform your body. It's not going to work like that. You got to get your butt over there on those free weights. You got to get your butt on the barbell. Get your butt over there doing some squats, some deadlifts, some bench press, bent over rows, overhead press. Grab that barbell and get to work. listen, it doesn't take long. I mean, you can see a noticeable change in your body depending on your genetics and how you attack your nutrition. You can see a noticeable change in about 3 to 6 weeks. Like I said, there's a lot of variables that come behind that, right? But typically, if you're locked in the gym, progressively overloading week after week, cleaning up your nutrition, that alone, you're going to see results, okay? And the third thing I did, intermittent fasting, okay? I ate 1 meal a day. I'm not recommending you do this. Do your own research. Speaking of my book, Fast and Flourish, within this book, I teach you exactly every single thing you need to know that comes with intermittent fasting. You get what is intermittent fasting, how to implement it in your life if you are a single entrepreneur, if you are a family woman, if you are a busy professional, if you work at home, any lifestyle, right? Fast and Flourish will give you the step-by-step blueprint in which you can actionably take right now to implement it within your journey so you can start shedding the fat, boosting your energy, and alleviating stress. Tap into the book right now if you need more clarity on that, right? fastandflourishbook.com. But intermittent fasting. And so once I started to implement the OMAD strategy, 1 meal a day, man, that weight just started to shed. I'm going to put up my first transformation right here. I'm going to tell you, man, I was feeling myself. These bugs are getting to me. As you can see, we out here in nature. It's not easy. However, it is simple. Going through that journey, it taught me, number one, patience. Number two, being able to adjust when things come, right? Because things happen, right? Not saying that, you know, everything is going to be perfect in your life. You have to know how to adjust, right? You know, back then when I started my weight loss journey, it was the pandemic, 2019, 2020 hit. All gyms were closed. I fell in love with that gym. So what I had to do, I had to get it out the mud. I had to start going to the parks. You know what I'm saying? I went outside with it. I did a lot of calisthenics, learning how to move my own body weight, you know, things like that, knowing how to adjust if need be. But those are the things that you need to be aware of when you're on a transformation journey. Number one is the mindset. Willing yourself, envisioning yourself, embodying the person that you foresee, because it's already inside of you. It's not anything outside of you. You're already the person. Now you just have to match up your daily disciplines to catch up to that person. And once you get that down pat, the sky's the limit. It's your girl Jazz Avantí. Listen, if you need more help on your journey, if you need a more bespoke approach, if you need for me to coach you one-on-one, tap into the link down below. Okay, also tap into the Soulful Healers community down below as well. We do group fasts. You can also tap into my 6-week program if you need something to kickstart your journey, seeking to lose fat, gain muscle, alleviate stress. Tap in. Also tap into my newest ebooks, Fast and Flourish, teaching you all things intermittent fasting. And I also have a recipe guide as well, right? I'm giving you 25 natural whole foods recipes that will aid you on your journey, whether you're seeking to lose weight, gain muscle, or tone up, okay? Like, comment, subscribe. And I want you to comment down below the different things that you're gonna implement right now. Right now, not tomorrow, not Monday. What are you gonna start implementing right now in your journey to embody the results that you're seeking? All right? Tap Tap into the comments. I want to hear from you, all right? It's your girl, Jazz Avantí. Love.